Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us with your friends online. First, ensure everyone has the game downloaded on their device, whether it's a phone or computer. It's crucial that everyone's game is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Once everyone is ready, decide who among your group will take on the role of the game host. This person will initiate the private lobby for everyone to join. To create your private game, the designated host will navigate to the online option on the main menu. From there, they will select Create Game to set up a new lobby. The host can then customize game settings, including the map, the number of imposters, and the maximum player count. Remember, Among Us private lobbies are designed to support a group of 4 to 15 players for optimal fun. Now, for everyone else, joining the game is straightforward. You will also go to the online section, but instead of creating, you'll select Private. The host will then provide a unique 6-character room code, which is displayed prominently in their lobby. Carefully type this exact code into the designated field. Once entered correctly, you will instantly be transported into your friend's private game lobby. For the best experience, we highly recommend using an external voice chat application, like Discord, to communicate with your friends. During the gameplay phase, when everyone is completing tasks, remember to mute your microphones. This prevents giving away your location or actions. Unmute only during emergency meetings or when a body is reported to discuss and vote. Enjoy working together or cleverly deceiving your friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.